To improve cutting performance, we've included 4 slats in the LX2 package. If you need more, you can purchase additional slats on our website. Before you start your cutting projects, please install the slats as shown in this video for the best results. First, make sure you install the slats in the correct orientation. The narrow side should face upward. Place one end of the slat into the front frame inside the machine, then place the other end into the rear frame. You can adjust the spacing between slats to support your material as needed. Once finished, you can proceed with your project. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the LaserPecker support team at support@laserpecker.com. Thank you for watching.